Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well. Today I would like to start a new unit, Unit 18, Graphs. In this unit, we will be discussing about gradient. According to you, the gradient is new topic. So we will discuss what is gradient, how to use the gradient. Okay, starting now. Gradient. Gradient state how steep a line is. Always you can say, also you can say that it is a slope. A line may have positive or negative gradient. Positive gradient means the slope is going upward and negative means the slope is going downward. You can see some images to make you clear what is going up and coming down, the positive slope and negative slope. Look here, the line is going up. Okay, the gradient is positive. Okay, here the graph is coming down, the slope is negative. Here the line is straight line, it is not going up and down, so the slope is 0. Next one, the line is vertical come down. Okay, so that is, it is not defined. Okay, so this is the 4 type of slope, and this is the images with the line, the slope on the graph. Okay, so finding slope, we have two methods here. First method from the given graph, second is from the given points. Okay, first we discuss finding slope given a graph. Here we are discussing from the graph how to find the gradient. So here there is some steps are there. Choose any two different points on the line, get the coordinates points. So you have to mark 2 points on the line. Maybe the question is give you the points. From the two different points, make a right angle triangle, connect with the 2 points from the line. Okay. Then divide the length vertical line by horizontal line. Then you will get gradient. Okay. So we can start some examples. Here we have x1, y1 and x2, y2, 2 points are there. So how it is marked there? See. This is a graph and you can see a line. On the line you can see 2 points, x1, y1, x2, y2. x1, y1, x2, y2, that means the coordinate points. Okay, that's we know how to mark a coordinate point x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, then we have to make a right angle triangle. Already one line is with us, you have to draw 2 more lines to make the triangle. Yes, from the point x2, y2 you make a line down, and from that one you are making the point x1, y2 make a line. So the graph is given, and from the graph we are making the formula slope or gradient is equal to change in y. That means you can see the red line, the difference between the two y value, divided by you can see the green, the difference between the two x values. That is we call gradient. Okay, so this is the formula for finding gradient. Difference in y value divided by difference in x values. Some example here. You can see a line on the graph, red color, and 2 points also marked there in the purple color. Okay, from that one we make a right angle triangle down. Okay, you make a line and then complete the triangle. That means 3 points right and 6 points up. Okay, so how many boxes in between the 2 points up? 6. So you can write here the right part, 6 by 3. Answer is 2. The gradient of this line is 2. Simple one. Another one you can see here, the 2 points already marked and you can see the line with the blue and red, 5 up and 8 right, up part, 5 up, upper part you have to write the first one 5 and left and right you are writing the second one 5 by 8. Okay, so we have here one point C and D. You can see the graph, the C's and D there. Then you have to make, look at this graph is coming, yeah, it's downward. It's downward, so our graph will be coming down, so your slope will be negative value. Okay, from the C, you have to draw 4 boxes down. Then you have to complete the right angle triangle. So you will get 4 up and 6 down. Okay, so answer become 4 by 6. And it is negative because the slope is coming down. So, okay, when you are writing the value of slope, you have to check it. It is going, the graph is going upward or the graph is coming downward. According to that one, you can give the negative value. Look here, it's a very small line. We have to make always a right angle triangle. From the point you have to draw line, then complete. Okay, so you got 3 by 3, the gradient is 1. Next one, 4 lines up and 2 lines the left. Okay, 2 by 4, answer is 2. The two graphs are going upward, so our gradient is positive. Third one is also going up, you will have positive value 3. You have to write the first value 3 divided by 5 is equal to, you can no need to write that decimal, you can write like this one, 0.6, okay, no need to write like that. The last one, this graph is coming down, okay, that's why we have a negative 4. So negative 4 by 2, answer is minus 2. Okay, so for I again explain to you, when the graph is going up, the value become positive. When the graph is coming down, it's a negative value. We have some picture and some options are there. You have to circle the correct answer. Look at the graph. In the top, you have to draw 2 lines down. Okay, 2 lines down from the top of the graph point, 2 points down, and from then you have to go to the left part. Okay, so you will get 2 up and 4 down. So our gradient is 2 by 4. 2 by 4, the simplest form is 1 by 2. Okay, so we have another picture. The graph is, see, it is coming down. Yeah, so our answer will be, slope will be negative value. Okay, from the top, you can draw 2 lines down. From that one, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes are there. So your answer become 2 by 6. Okay, 2 by 6. And simplest form of 2 by 6 is 1 by 3, and it is negative 1 by 3. Why negative? Because the slope is came downward. The slope is coming down. Okay, last one. It's a straight line and there is no up and down. So what is the value? It's become 0. Okay, the second part of this section, finding slope given 2 points. We have to follow some steps here also. Subtract y value, subtract x value, and then divide the two answers. You will get gradient. Okay, so let's use a slope formula to find the slope of the line that goes through the points 2, 1 and 4, 7. So first step number 1, okay, identify x values and y values. You have to write what is x1, x2, y1, y2. first value from the coordinate point is x. So 2, 1. So first is x. Okay, x become 2. And 4, 7. First value x. Okay, so x2 is 4. And second value is y. So 1 become y1 and 7 become y2. Okay, so first method, identify x1, y1, x2, y2. Ready? The next one, you have to write the formula. What is the formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is our formula. Give the value. What is y2? It is 7. What is y1? 1. 7 minus 1. That is, we said, the difference of y value divided by difference of x value, x2. First you write x2. Okay, 4 minus 2 is equal to 6 by 2. Okay, we can make it is 3. So this is the way finding slope from the given 2 points. Okay, so we have a question. The points are 5 minus 2 and 2 comma 10. So you have to write what is x1 y1 and x2 y2. Write the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Give the values here. 10 minus, here the value of y1 is minus 2. So that's why 10 minus minus 2. 12 by 3, answer is minus 4. Okay, so we have another question. The points are minus 2, 5 and 4, minus 7. Identify x1, y1 and x2, y2. Write the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. After that finish, you give the values. What is y1? Don't change. Okay, what is y1? Sorry, what is y2? Minus 7. And y1? 5. Minus 7 minus 5. Okay, and x2 is 4 and x1 minus 2. That's why 4 minus minus 2. Answer become 12 by 6 minus 2. Okay, so we have a point here 6, 1 and minus 3 minus 8. You have to write the x1, y1 and x2, y2. After that you have to write the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Give the values. What is y2? Minus 8 minus 1 divided by x2 is minus 3 and 6. Okay, so we will get 9 by 9. It is positive 9, sorry, negative 9 by negative 9, positive 1. So you have another question. The slope is given minus 5, 3 and 2, 1. You have to write the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 and give the value. What is y2? 1. 1 minus 3 divided by 2 minus minus. It's okay. So you can get it minus 2 by 7. The slope or gradient usually written by m, the small m is equal to. When we see the m, that means it is a slope or gradient of the line. So okay, today we will discuss about the gradient 2 method. Okay, finding gradient by using the graph and using the 2 points. So you have to follow some steps. We have to point that on two straight lines, on the straight line. Work out the vertical and horizontal distance, x value and y value. Substitute the numbers in the formula. M is equal to vertical change and horizontal change. That means y value divided by x value. Reduce down the fraction, answer to the simplest form. Possible, write it in the simplest form. Okay, if the gradient is positive, you can see the slope is going up. When the slope is coming down, our gradient is negative. So this is all about our lesson. Hope you all understand today's lesson about gradient. You will get worksheets on Google Classroom. Please complete and then send it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.